Welcome back to another video. Today we have the right angle attachment with screwdriver bit set. We got product number DWAMF35RA. So this is pretty much what it is. It's a 35-piece set, and then you get a right angle attachment. This is on the Black Friday deals, guys. This is a great deal. If you come across one, pick it up. It's at your Home Depot. Like I said, this is Black Friday holiday deals. This by itself, it's over it's $18, 17 something. So it comes to down to $18 by itself. This whole kit is under $15. So that's the kind of deal you're getting with this. You're basically getting this for free, and you're getting this for less. So anyways, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. It says DeWalt MaxFit, right angle attachment, plus the right angle attachment. It says impact rated. It says maximum fit. And it says torsion zone, so it does have the little torsion zone there, so it can move back around. So they are impact rated. It says for use with an impact driver. I don't know if you guys could see that right there. It does have an impact driver. It says 90 degree on the right angle, and it says times. I don't know, it's hard to read, but it says 5 times longer life. It says magnetism. Compact design, 1.5 inches, so 1.5 inches this way. All right, let's look at the back. So you got a nice clear case. Obviously this is the picture of what you're getting, and it says right here the products you can use it with can be used with spade bits or like a hole saw, any other bits, magnetizers. Sold separately. All right, it says max RPM 3000. It says max fit. It is magnetized 1.5 inches. And this case it is compatible, I guess, with the tough system. And then we'll go this way. All right, so first thing comes off is the attachment. Really nice attachment. You get a hex driver in there. This is plastic and this is metal, obviously metal casing. Got a nice hex there. You can see it moving. Looks like it has some ball bearings in there. It does have a just so you can grab it like so, you know, grab some grip, get some grip. And that's it. Oh, and just to let you guys know, make sure you guys grab this if you're gonna grab it, because they're selling out. I'm having a hard time finding another set of these. So make sure if you guys see this set, make sure you guys grab it, because they're not gonna be around for long. All right, you got a TikTok case there, basically with some bits. You got the 2-inch bits there. You got the star. You got the square Phillips. You got another square here, a star, and then you got a nut driver here. Can't read what it is. It's a 1/4. You got a 1/4 of 5/16, and then you got a magnetic sleeve there. You can just, or a driver. You got some flats here on the top. You got some more squares. And you got a nice case. It is compatible with the Tough System case. Like so, and then you can mount your other case on top. Tough cases. Alright, so there's that. I'll leave it open like so. But just throw one of these bits in there, and we're not gonna do anything here. We're just gonna demonstrate to you how it works. So this is magnetic. You guys could see it just falls in there. See, it's magnetic. It's a really good feature to have. So if you're in a tight space, this is perfect. I would recommend this to anybody for tight spaces. It works pretty smooth. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Like I said, if you see this, make sure you guys pick it up. They're selling out like crazy. Everybody's picking these up because you're getting a great value here with this device. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.